Dear audience, hello everyone. Today we will focus on McDonald's UK business strategy. As a top fast food company entering the UK in 1974, we now have 1,134 stores serving nearly 4 million customers daily, with 171 employees and 95% local suppliers. We are deeply rooted here. Facing the UK's cost of living crisis and global economic ups and downs, we need strategy changes to stay top 3 in the industry. For the exit new environment, people care more about price and raw material and labor costs. Keep resigning. The government has made rules like HFSS food and limits and the EPR packaging recycling rule. UK GPT is expected to grow only 1% to 1.3% in 2025, with 3% to 4% inflation. UK consumers want more healthy and low-carbon options. Fireforce analysis consume bargain, substitute, threat high, trans low. McDonald's supplier power strong. Competition-wise, rivals like Burger King and KFC compete fiercely. Opportunities and threats. Ops is healthy consumption push, digital ordering, plant-based, app opt. Threat is cost up. Satiric police, substitute impact.
Hello everyone. Today I will talk about the opportunities and the threat in McDonald's SWOT analysis based on what we learned from the value chain and the VRIO framework. From earlier analysis, we know McDonald's has strong daily operation, an efficient supply chain, a well-known global brand, and successful French models. These strengths are valuable and hard for competitors to copy, which help McDonald's stay competitive worldwide. First, the global food service market is still growing, especially in developing countries. McDonald's French model allows the company to enter new markets quickly and with lower cost, so there is room for future expansion. Second, more customers care about health and local taste. McDonald's can create healthier menu items and adjust products from different regulations. This is help the brand stay activity to move type of customers. Third, digital technology bred new growth chance. McDonald's global data system can improve store planning, supply management, and personalized marketing. This help make operation more efficient and improve customer experience. However, there are challenges. First, competition is strong. Brands like KFC, Burger King, Starbucks, and many local chains continue to grow. McDonald's need to keep improving to stay ahead. Second, more people now prefer healthier food. Some may avoid high-fat or high-salt fast food, which may reduce demand for some McDonald's production. The company needs to continue update its menu and improve its healthy image. Third, global supply chains risks remain. Even with a strong system, price chains, political issue, or health events can still affect cost and sustainability.
Hello everyone, now introduction of analysis and structure on the future strategic direction of the McDonald's UK. From our previous analysis, we found that McDonald's has a strong brand power, an inflexible trial, and a well-developed digital system. However, it also faces challenges such as high labor costs, a weak health engine, and high price sensitivities. Internally, there are opportunities for raising health versus sensibility trials and new technology like AI. Well, major trials include free competitions, raising raw material costs, and tiger revolutions. Based on this, we developed 4 possible strategic options. 1. Use brand strength and spell trial capability to introduction low carb and plant-based product. 2. Strengthen customer loyalty through AI-driven ordering, app-based membership, and automation. 3. Work with UK Farm to reinforce an eco-friendly and local royalty brand image. And 4. Implement self-ordering boxes and robotic kitchen to reduce low costs and improve efficiency. We value each option use the same criteria: suitability, acceptability, and feasibility. Our result shows that enhancing digital customer experiences is the most effective strategy overall.
Hello everyone. Today I will talk about our marketing idea for McDonald's UK. Our main strategy is to add more plant-based and eco-friendly menu option. This fits the growing trend in the UK, where many people care more about health eating and protecting the environment. Offering more plant-based food can help McDonald's meet their new customer need. So, why is this important? First, the UK government encourages people to choose low carbon and sustainable food by offering more plant-based choices. McDonald's is supporting this distance. Second, a healthy and more eco-friendly menu can improve McDonald's brand image. It shows that the company cares about health, the environment, and the model. customer values. Third, plant-based products are often cheaper to production and can bring higher profit, which also benefit the business. Next, here is our action plan. One is menu. Work with food companies to make and try new plant-based food in the few stores first. This helps us see what customers like before selling them everywhere. Second is marketing. Start a company called MC Gray UK and promote the new menu on social media, especially TikTok and Instagram, where many young people are active. Third is supply chains. By monitoring data from local UK supply and use eco-friendly packaging as many as possible. Four is review. Look at sales and customer feedback. Keep the items that do well and improve the ones that don't in customer. This plan supports the environment, improve McDonald's image, and can increase profit. It helps McDonald's stay competitive and meet new customers' needs in the UK.